In a world chained by injustice, one man stood alone, unarmed, yet unstoppable. Born in 1918 in the tiny village of Mvezo, Nelson Mandela wasn't born into power. He was born into segregation, a world where the color of your skin determined the limits of your life. But Mandela didn't accept limits. He studied law, fought injustice in courtrooms, and challenged a system designed to silence people like him. He didn't just speak truth to power, he stared it in the face, knowing it might cost him everything. In 1962, he was arrested, tried, and sentenced to life. For 27 years, Mandela sat behind bars, not for a crime of violence, but for daring to dream of freedom. Every day the sun rose and set through iron bars, but inside, Mandela was building something greater than freedom. He was building forgiveness. He was building hope. He was preparing not for revenge, but for leadership. And then he walked free, not with bitterness, not with hate, but with purpose. 4 years later, he became the first Black president of South Africa. He taught the world a powerful truth. It always seems impossible until it is done. Mandela passed away in 2013, but his legacy isn't carved in stone. It's written in every act of courage, every bridge of peace, every voice that chooses hope over hate. You don't need perfect conditions to change the world. You need conviction and the courage to keep walking forward, even in chains.